Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to edit checkboxes in Docusign. Whether we need to adjust required fields, change formatting, or update selection options, this easy guide will help us customize our document. Let's get started. On our Docusign dashboard, we will go to our templates. If we have documents as well, just check the checkboxes. Since we have documents that require checkboxes, we will edit this. Click the three buttons on the right side of the page, then click Edit. Once we are here, we will start the procedure. Let's add some signers. When we are okay with this field, let's go to the next field. Now we have two checkboxes. If we want to edit these, we can cut, duplicate, or delete them. If we want to move them, we just drag and drop. To uncheck, we do not double-click. We can also check the settings by clicking here. Here, we have our checkbox groups. We can check or uncheck here. We also have formatting, validation, and collaborations. Send the permissions, advanced options, and we can configure a card depending on our preferences. If we want to check, let's check. When we are done, just save and close. Once it's done save, it is now ready to use. If we want to send it, we can send it. If we want to use it, we can use it anytime. And that's how we edit checkboxes in Docusign, making these adjustments. Ensure our documents are clean, accurate, and ready for signing.